you don't wanna fuck with shady. Shady, fucking kill you. 'Cause shady will fucking kill you.
played in the ditch.
to get shit spilled all over.
Hand him the beer.
Hand him the beer. Give me the beer.
You can't have anything. Oh, you can't have anything. All right.
Casey, give him the beer.
All right. Hold on. Put your right foot forward.
Right foot forward.
Right foot forward. You put your right foot. You put your right toe against his right heel.
I ain't fucking.
No. You put your right toe against his right heel.
Okay.
Okay. Move your foot in just a little bit. Come this way. And mine goes like this.
Remember, Skip?
Grab your left. Grab your left wrist. Okay. Now, with
Right hand.
Grab your left wrist. You grab mine right arm. I grab yours. You grab yours. Look at Josh. Look at Josh. I'm thinking these motherfuckers harder than I am. There you go. You gotta repeat after me. We three, or three such as we, do agree, in peace, love, and harmony, the royal arch to seek. We three, do agree, in peace, love, and harmony, the royal arch to keep. Whereas, we three, or three such as we, the royal arch to raise. Ah! They call it break like that. Did you get all that?
Are you kidding me? I mean,
That's the royal arch. That's when you get to
how did you memorize that?
Why is that so funny?
Me and Ben were in it. Ben,
I can't do this shit again.
Ben was drunk. Dude, that's fucking great.
I can't even remember my
signs
birthday.
are.
Give him a little 50.
50 cents.
What about the magic stick?
Yeah, there you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Don't tell me when it's time to stop. Stop! Whoa! Give it to him, G. The way she moves it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen an ass like that. The way she moves it, she makes my pee-pee go doing, doing, doing. You never heard that?
Yeah.
How about this one? How about